Hello students, in this video we will discuss dual nature of matter and radiation. Dalton 1818 proposed atom was the smallest individual particle of matter. J. Thomson, Goldstein and Chadwick etc. means कि many more and scientists explain that the atom not a smallest particle but had a complex structure of its own and made up of still small particles like electrons, protons and neutrons. Then 1913 Bohr put a model of atom called Bohr's model of atom. This model of atom based upon Planck's quantum theory. Bohr model based on the concept of quantization of energy, that is electrons move around the nucleus along definite circular paths called orbit. This is orbit. An electron move in this circular path. Okay. This model could explain the spectra of hydrogen and hydrogen-like particle, but could not explain the spectra of multi-electron atom. It could not explain the distribution of electron in an atom. Means this is the first cell. How many electrons are exist in these cells? Means first orbit, second orbit and third orbit. Bohr has not explained this portion. In 1905, Einstein gave a theory that light has dual character. Then 1924, Louis de Broglie gave an idea that like proton, atom, molecule, a piece of chalk, a piece of stone or an iron ball, that is microscopic and macroscopic objects, also possess dual character. Okay. E equal to h nu. This is the Planck's quantum theory. E equal to mc square. This is the Einstein equation. This equation 1 and this is the equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get h nu equal to mc square, nu equal to c upon lambda. Then we put h into c upon lambda equal to mc square. C cancel this c. Then we will get h upon lambda equal to mc. We put in the place of mc is mv. When we put the place of mc is mv, we apply this equation in all objects. Lambda equal to h upon mv. mv equal to p means momentum, h upon p. P is the momentum of the particle. Newton suggests that light is a stream particle which are photons. Okay. Light has a particles nature as well as wave nature. Dual nature means a particle has two type of nature. One is wave like nature and other is particle type natures. Dual nature means substance has dual characters. Light is dual nature means light is behave as wave like character and particle characters. Like, share and subscribe my channel and also comment. Thank you so much.